My love for music pours out of me like water, has a hold on my heart, no other. It's motivation, rooted in my soul. Picks me up when times are lonely and nights are cold. And the feeling is incredible. Life without music, I can't go closer to my dreams. Making it all reality, no more broken dreams. It's music and me, closer to my dreams. Making it all reality, no more broken dreams. It's music and me, the gift I got from the Most High. I'ma share it with the world, the gift I got from the Most High. I'ma share it with the world, 'cause wide is the way and narrow is the gate. Every day I strive to make a change in today, 'cause someone out there has got it worse than me. And someone out there is not as capable as me. So I'ma walk, open up my mouth and shout for joy. And I'ma be all that I can be and so much more. And can't nobody take away my joy. Can't nobody take away my joy. So open up your eyes and take a look around. Go ahead and count your blessings, 'cause the time is now. Never live with regrets, 'cause they'll always pull you down. Think of what he brought you out of, 'cause his mercy counts. And I can't be all that you have planned in my life. And I can't reach towards all that you have in my side. Closer to my dreams, making it. Don't worry about tomorrow, but tomorrow will worry about itself. And steady thinking about your sorrow will consume you into someone else. Thinking about your past, what you could have had. You gotta move on, you gotta press strong. And there's a time in your life when you're tired and you wanna change directions in where your life's heading down. And you feel like the world is on your shoulders. You're confused about your purpose in this crazy life of doubt. But bless me beyond my capacity. Keep your armor fit and your blade sharp and represent the Lord of light. Sanctification is the key to walking in God's will. Your light will rise out of obscurity, and your destiny will be ready for thee. My family means so much to me. Through thick and thin, they'll be by my side. And I love them, I'm gonna hold them down. And when time gets rough, we gon' keep a smile. See, when time gets rough and you're looking down, you can always count on your family to always be around. They'll never leave your side, they'll be there till the day you die. Just take a look around and know you'll be alright. I ain't trying to tell you how you should live your life, I just gotta go for mine. What may be good for you, for me it might not do. Hey, see, once you think you got it all, everybody bouncing for. Sometimes change is cool, but every day is brand new. Second verse, sing along. Let life fill a hole in your soul. If it shines there, it brings life at home. With the happy home comes peace on the streets. Then the next stage is order in the nation. Some may say, but what's it worth? If you grasp all that's there, there'll be peace on earth. But who are we kidding? We earn for a living, and we really don't deserve what's been given. That's the truth spitting. Learn as a kitten. You always even lie when you got the truth missing. You feel me? You feel me?
Now it's been said good things come to an end, but personally I feel it's all about acceptance. Measure twice, cut once, skate into perfection. Who can come the closest, cause living here is hopeless. I can't deny I used to live that life of crime, but nowadays paving ways and helping brothers see the light. It's even better if we do it all together, whether on the streets or in your home. It starts within you. I believe if you too, it will receive if you
shall too.
Yet you gotta prove anything, homie, you just gotta follow through. I'm filled with spit, can't nobody feel no hollow, dude. So just listen, you can hear them calling you. Like me, I know what I'm called to do. It's black and white, can't alter the truth. It's the facts of life, and I'm brand spanking new life.
I've been through some things in my life that'll drive some folks insane. But for the sake of my fam, I'll try to maintain. I gotta keep my head high, never question why. I just understand that's the way it is. I ain't trying to say how you should live your life. I just gotta go for mine. What may be good for you, for me, I'm not due.